If you're a teen looking to make money, then this video is for you because we're going to be taking a look at 3 easy side hustles that are very affordable. Number 1 on the list is going to be furniture living. This is a very simple, easy, yet quick cash kind of business. And you don't have to be experienced in woodworking or craftsmanship. It is just whenever you go to a local thrift store, antique store, Facebook marketplace, or even a garage sale, and you find a cheap yet stable piece of furniture and flip it. And I'm going to be taking y'all through the step-by-step process of how I do it and list it and everything, all the materials that you're going to need. Okay, so I was at my local thrift store and found this little side table for $10 in pretty good shape. And then I went to Walmart and found 2 cans of spray paint for $7 each. So then I'm going to wipe down and completely scrub the table to give it a nice paintable surface, and then moved it to a flat area to paint. So my main color, accent color, and masking tape for a little accent at the bottom. I'm going to kind of tape that off. This is option, but I decided to do it to break up from the main color. And now I'm going to go in and completely paint the item in my main color, which is a dark green color that has a little pop of color. And you're going to want to get underneath and make sure that nothing is spotty. I did 2 coats, which was 20 minutes each, so 40 minutes drying, probably only 5 minutes to apply. And now I'm going to go ahead and tape off my area to give it a nice seamless look. And it was pretty simple, straightforward process. I listed it on Marketplace for $50 as a cafe style table, and I got multiple offers, and it sold within 4 days. Number 2 on the list is going to be starting a YouTube channel. Obviously, I don't have that much experience in YouTube since this is only my first video, but this is what I have learned from doing a couple weeks of research. So number 1, we're going to figure out what your niche is. Find something that you're passionate about that also will have a good audience that will watch your video. Even try to research your competitors on the market. Try to figure out what people are doing, what are they into, and how you can do better. Number 2 is going to be developing a content strategy. So with this, you're going to plan the content around your niche. Try to figure out what kind of videos you're going to create, what kind of style. And you need to plan a very consistent routine. Have everything, what day this video going up, all the titles, all the different kind of videos you want to make. Have this consistent schedule to keep yourself accountable for. Number 3 is going to be researching your video content idea. Research the trending topics in your niche and try to figure out how you can make that topic more unique. Or if you don't want to do the trending topics where everybody else is doing, you could even try to put your own unique twists and turns on your videos. Number 4 is going to be investing in equipment. Obviously, you don't need the top tier kind of equipment whenever you're first starting out. Right now, all I have is a ring light and my phone. I'm looking into investing in a microphone because that is obviously the next step, but you don't need the top tier camera whenever you're first starting out. Number 5 is going to be creating high quality videos. Try to focus on something that is not only entertaining, but giving knowledge, teaching the audience. And one of the number 1 tips I've seen from content creators is ensure that your video is not only visually appealing, but easy to listen to and easy to follow. Make that sure that is understandable. Number 6 is going to be optimizing your videos for search. You're going to want to use relevant keywords in your title, your description, and even your thumbnail. Make sure that your thumbnail is not only visually appealing, but also make sure that it relates to the video, the topic that you're on. Number 7 is going to be promoting your channel. Start pushing your channel on social media. Not only this, but promoting could also mean collaborations. It could also mean responding to the commenters in your comments. Interacting with your subscribers is a big key to helping you bump up. Regularly analyzing and improving. So try to look at the videos that have succeeded the most and then the ones that haven't. Obviously, the ones that haven't, you either need to work on the way that you executed or just drop that topic altogether because it's clearly not working. And for the ones that have executed well, try to figure out how you can improve that topic or how you can improve or try to do something relevant to that video that did so well so that you can improve and gain more followers. So last but not least on the list is going to be housekeeping. This is for whenever a neighbor or even a family member goes out on vacation, offer to keep their house tidy, to mow the lawn, keep care of the grounds, to care for their pets, care for their garden. The list goes on and on. They're going to probably say yes to you because they don't want to come home to a nasty house or unmowed lawn. They're going to want to be able to rely on somebody. And it's just as simple as that, taking that 15 minutes out of your day to go care for their animals, to go weed their garden, to keep up with their house. And this is another very simple, easy task that you can do to make that quick money. And you have no investments in it at all. It is completely free to you. Okay, so I got this idea because my neighbors go on vacation every summer and I always offer to feed and water their cats and watch over their plants. So I thought this would be perfect for this video. So I will usually walk out there at 6 o'clock in the morning and I will start feeding the cats, rinse out their food bowl, rinse out the water bowl, make sure everything is clean and tidy. I do have to say, this does only take me 20 minutes. It's a pretty decent time. Then I'll go and water all of the potted plants and make my way over to the garden beds. Obviously, this is different for each client, and that's just about it. If you like this video, please let me know down in the comments and hit that like and subscribe button to really help my channel grow. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.